What if I told you that a machine could write a poem, paint like Van Gogh, drive a car, diagnose diseases, even pass university exams? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's real life. But what is artificial intelligence, really? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to explain artificial intelligence in the clearest and simplest way possible. No complicated terms or confusing explanations, just plain English. You'll learn what AI is, how it works, and why it's changing our world faster than anything else. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI is when machines are built to think or act like humans. That means they can spot patterns, make decisions, and sometimes even learn from experience. Here's an easy way to think about it. Imagine teaching a kid to tell the difference between cats and dogs. You'd show them lots of pictures and say, "This is a dog, this is a cat." After a while, the kid gets better at telling the difference on their own. Works the same way, but instead of a kid, it's a computer. And instead of a few pictures, it's shown thousands or even millions of examples. That's how it learns. This kind of learning is called machine learning. Machines getting better at a task the more data they get. And then there's deep learning, which is like machine learning on steroids. Deep learning uses something called neural networks. Think of these as layers of tiny decision makers, little yes or no switches stacked together. They help AI recognize faces, understand speech, translate languages, and even write poems. You've probably already used AI today without even noticing. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. AI, Netflix recommending what to watch next. AI, your phone unlocking when it sees your face. That's AI too. So, where did it all start? The idea of machines that can think isn't new. In fact, it goes back to the 1950s. One of the earliest pioneers was Alan Turing, a British mathematician who helped crack enemy codes during World War II. He asked a simple question: can machines think? His work laid the foundation for modern computing and artificial intelligence. Since then, AI has had its ups and downs. In the 1980s and 90s, progress was slow. But around 2012, something big happened. Computers became powerful enough to handle deep learning. That's when AI really took off. Now let's break down the main types of AI. First, there's narrow AI. This is the kind we have today. It's really good at specific tasks, like playing chess, translating languages, or driving cars. But it can't do everything. Then there's general AI. This would be an AI that can think and learn across any task, like a human. We're not there yet. Finally, some people talk about superintelligence, a theoretical AI that's smarter than all humans combined. That's still science fiction. For now, let's talk about how AI is actually being used. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect cancer earlier, analyze X-rays, and even develop new drugs. In transportation, it powers self-driving cars that make split-second decisions on the road. In finance, it detects fraud by spotting suspicious activity in milliseconds. In entertainment, it curates your music playlists and recommends shows you'll probably binge tonight. And in education, AI can personalize learning for students, giving them custom lessons based on their strengths and weaknesses. Even farmers use AI to monitor crops, predict weather, and improve harvests. It's everywhere. AI has beaten world champions in complex games like chess and Go. The AI called AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, one of the best Go players in history, in 2016. Go is an ancient board game with more possible moves than atoms in the universe, making this a huge milestone. Some AI models can generate completely new songs or artwork that no human has ever created before. This raises fascinating questions about what creativity really means. Did you know AI can now help predict natural disasters like earthquakes or floods by analyzing massive amounts of data faster than humans? Some companies are experimenting with AI-powered robots that can cook meals, serve customers, or even perform surgery with incredible precision. Has also been used to help discover new medicines, speeding up the process that normally takes years or decades. There's even AI that can mimic human voices so well, it's hard to tell the difference between a real person and a machine. This technology can help people with speech disabilities communicate, but AI isn't perfect. Because it learns from human data, it can also pick up human biases, like stereotypes or unfair assumptions. That means AI might make decisions that seem neutral, but are actually unfair. There are also concerns about jobs, especially repetitive ones like data entry or manufacturing. And then there are deepfakes, AI-generated videos that look and sound real but aren't. They can spread misinformation or be used in scams. Some experts also worry about AI becoming too powerful, especially if it's used without proper rules or oversight. So yes, AI is amazing, but we have to be careful. Artificial intelligence is reshaping not just technology, but society as a whole. Its impact is broad and complex, affecting how we work, communicate, and live. One of the biggest changes AI brings is in the job market. While AI automates repetitive and routine tasks, which can lead to job losses in some sectors, it also creates new opportunities in emerging fields like AI development, data science, and robotics. The challenge is ensuring workers have the skills to adapt and thrive in this changing landscape. AI is also transforming how we communicate. Social media platforms use AI to personalize your newsfeed and ads, but this can sometimes create filter bubbles, where people only see content that reinforces their existing beliefs, potentially deepening social divides. Privacy is another major concern. Systems often require vast amounts of personal data to function effectively, raising questions about how that data is collected, stored, and used. Ensuring strong data protection and transparency is crucial to maintaining public trust. On the positive side, AI can help solve societal challenges. For example, it's being used to improve healthcare by diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately. It can optimize energy use to fight climate change and assist in disaster response by predicting natural events. Ethical questions are central to AI's role in society. Issues like bias in AI algorithms, fairness, and accountability need constant attention. Many organizations and governments are now working on regulations and ethical frameworks to ensure AI benefits everyone, not just a few. In short, AI has enormous potential to improve society, but it requires careful management to avoid pitfalls and ensure it serves the common good. Here's a big question to finish with. Will AI ever really become conscious? Could machines ever feel things like love, fear, or creativity? Right now, the answer is no. It doesn't actually understand what it's doing. It doesn't feel emotions. It doesn't have desires or goals. It finds patterns and makes predictions. That's it. But the line between humans and machines is getting blurrier. We already talk to machines, trust them with our health, money, and even relationships. So it's not crazy to ask, where is this all going? The future of AI is being shaped right now. Governments are working on regulations to make sure AI is safe and fair. Tech companies are trying to make AI more ethical, more explainable, and more secure. And researchers are exploring next-gen AI that could work alongside humans, not replace them. Imagine an AI teacher that customizes lessons for every student, or AI doctors in remote villages where there are no hospitals, or AI tools that help fight climate change by optimizing energy use or predicting disasters. The possibilities are endless, but it's up to us, the humans, to guide how AI is used. So, what did we learn? AI isn't magic, it's math and data and clever programming, but it's already changing our world fast. Whether it's helping doctors, artists, or astronauts, or just helping you choose your next favorite movie, AI is here to stay. If you learned something new today, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. More quick, clear, and simple videos are coming your way. Thanks for watching Artificial Intelligence Explained in 10 minutes. Stay curious. And I'll see you in the next one.